happening, everyone? I hope all of you are doing fantastic. A few years ago, I received a very special product in the mail from Loupedeck. Loupedeck sent me their Loupedeck Plus console, and it was an incredible console that I got to utilize to edit my photos, edit my video content, and it just made things a lot more efficient. Now, fast forward to today, and Loupedeck has obviously done a great job in an advancement in their technology. And I want to talk to you guys today about one of their latest products. This is the Loupedeck Live console. I'm super excited to unbox this and really dive deep into it and hopefully share with you guys the benefits that come from having a device like this. So whether you're producing photo or video content, controlling your live streams, playing games, or just simply browsing the web, Loupedeck Live is a powerful and customizable console designed to put your tools and functions right at your fingertips. The console has been really designed for comfort, and the mechanics are there for you to be a lot more efficient in your editing process. Especially when you're a photographer, it's all about customizability, and it's all about really creating the easiest streamline process for you to get the clicks right and be able to transform your images a lot easier. It essentially is a natural extension of your keyboard, mouse, graphic tablet, or pen. Loupedeck Live seamlessly allows your workflow to give you a lot more time to focus on the things that matter. And for me, it's about really focusing on those details, really getting in there and allowing to adjust things just the right amount. Through the dial system, you're able to really articulate your thoughts a lot more effectively. With its seamless and intuitive controls packed in a compact and portable premium shell, Loupedeck Live is designed to pretty much handle anything, whether at the studio or on the go or even at your house. Another thing I really appreciate about the Loupedeck Live console is its build quality. And what I mean by that is the dials, the operational aspects of it, the buttons. It's very smooth and ergonomically perfect. It also comes with a stand option, so you can remove it if you want for more comfort, or if you visually want to be able to see the dials a lot more efficiently, you can just place the stand on the back. Another thing I really appreciate about it is its aesthetic. I'm a very aesthetic person. I like when things look really beautiful, and the way that they've designed it is that it looks great in any operating space or even in the office. It is ultimately a very high-end product that is affordable. It's currently $269 USD and roughly about $330 Canadian. It's also equipped with deep native integrations to a wide range of creative and streaming tools and software. Creating, composing, editing, and going live has never been so much smoother. Now, included in the purchase of Loupedeck Live, you get also all creative plugins, all live streaming plugins, and unlimited custom profiles. This makes workflow a lot more manageable. So I really hope that this information is valuable for you, and whether you're editing photos or editing video content, it's always important to really think about your timing and being able to efficiently work through things and allowing yourself to focus on those details that allow you to be exceptional in your work. Standing out as a creative is one thing, and really allowing yourself to perfect your art is another. And I think that the Loupedeck Live console allows you to get into those details and really focus on your art. The rest of this video is dedicated just to show you kind of behind the scenes of me editing through some images. And as you guys saw earlier on in the video, I gave you a little tour of my condo renovation. It's finally done. I mean, there's still things that need to be finalized, such as painting, but that's besides the point. I took various pictures of the condo, and I'm going to be editing them on Lightroom. And I'm going to be using the Loupedeck Live console to really help me define and edit and get those details appropriately in those images. So you're going to get a behind the shoulders kind of preview of me editing on Lightroom. And if you do have any questions at all about the console, please leave them down below. I'll be happy to answer them. And like always, remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys all very soon. Peace.